Hey guys, so this is the full CNC 6000 size aluminum reel. This was bought on TEMU. So a lot of people have doubts about them, I guess, and all that other craziness, but these reels are actually really well made, and yeah, very, very smooth. They have a shit ton of drag to them. You guys can see 2 bearings on the spool, a couple O-rings, just smooth as butter. So yeah, if anybody's up on the fence about these reels, these are really well made. And yeah, do not hesitate to pick one up. Tighten that down just to show you, like, that's all. I can't even. Yeah, there's a shit ton of drag. Smooth as butter. Probably get about 300 plus yards on this spool. It's actually fairly big. But yeah, there she is there.